Hey guys, so today we're going to cover some of the hurdles that we faced in the Absolute Mess apartment. Then we're going to take a look at the most recent update clip. Without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, here I'm going to show you guys a clip of the first hurdle we faced. And I want you guys to keep in mind that this wall is not load bearing. So let's take a look at the clip and we'll talk about it.
All right, we ran into a little hiccup here. As you can see, this wood is completely shot. You can just see it. I mean, it's done. And it was supporting the floor up above. So we had to kind of come in with new supports both here. And yeah, bring it back up to speed. And as you can see, even here, this frame just completely shot right there. Just done.
The studs in that wall were basically shot, and that wall ran the same length as the joist, so we definitely know that that wall wasn't load bearing, but it did help prevent the floor above from sagging. So when it failed, it did cause the floor above to sag a little, and we corrected that by jacking up the floor above and then putting in our new studs. So the next hurdle we faced is seen here. Can you spot it? I'll give you a hint. That's a concrete wall behind there. So when running electric on a concrete wall, you have two options. The first is to run exposed conduit, and the second is to hide that electric behind wainscoting. The previous owner already had wainscoting there, and the electric was ran through there, but we had to extend the wainscoting across to another wall, and we had to update it so that it would look presentable. The next major hurdle we faced is seen here. Now, as you can see, this beam starts back here and comes to near end of the room and kind of just ends. There's no support, nothing, it just kind of ends. And what we saw was that that beam was held up by a really thick piece of metal, but it didn't give us very good confidence that this would be enough to support it. So how we opted to solve this problem is by running our own beam underneath that beam. And that way it provided extra support, and it actually added visually to the room because we left that beam exposed as wood and then stained it. Now that you guys have seen some of the hurdles that we had to overcome while working on this unit, I'm going to leave you guys with a clip of the most recent update for that unit. I hope you guys did like the content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
All right, guys, let's do an update of the little apartment. See, we've got our cabinets in over here. We got them stained, kind of ready to go. Backsplash is a work in progress right now. We haven't gotten to any of the flooring at the moment, but started putting a primer coat over here to kind of cover all of that. And you can see that we put up new paneling board across the lower half there, and we got her painted. So that's kind of where we're looking at right now. Got new lights. Yeah, and you know, we'll have to show you the reveal here in a little bit. Catch you guys next time.